Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn les jours de la semaine, the days of the week. And after that we'll look at some common phrases that we can use with these words. This lesson is for absolute beginners, so do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And let's get started. So let's begin with Monday. Monday is called lundi. Lundi. Monday. Tuesday is called Mahdi. Mahdi. Wednesday is called Mercredi. Mercredi. Jeudi is Thursday. Jeudi. Thursday. Friday is called Vendredi. Vendredi. Then comes the weekend. The weekend. Saturday is called Samedi. Samedi. And Sunday is called Dimanche. Dimanche. Then for today we say aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui. Then for tomorrow we say demain. Demain. And for day after tomorrow we say après-demain. Après-demain. Similarly for yesterday we say hier. Hier. And for day before yesterday we say avant-hier. Avant-hier. And now let's look at some common phrases. The first one is à demain. À demain. That means see you tomorrow. À lundi. See you on Monday. À lundi. See you on Monday. À plus. See you. À plus. And à bientôt. À bientôt. See you soon. À bientôt. Now let's quickly revise everything what we did today. Starting with the days of the week. Monday, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, le weekend, samedi, dimanche. Then comes aujourd'hui, that is today. Demain, that is tomorrow. Après-demain, day after tomorrow. Hier, avant-hier. Then some common phrases. À demain, à lundi, à plus, à bientôt. So that's it for today's lecture. I'll see you very soon. If you have any doubt, please leave it in the comments box below and I'll make sure I reply to each and every comment. See you very soon. Salut. A bientôt.